Ferrari have confirmed that Charles Leclerc's engine suffered critical damage following the shunt he had with Lance Stroll at the Hungarian Grand Prix. He will now be using his third engine at the upcoming Belgian Grand Prix. So Ferrari are fully expecting that they will be receiving grid penalties later on in the season. Both Red Bulls are also in danger of getting grid penalties later on in the season as well as a result of their recent crashes. Sergio Perez was taken out by Valtteri Bottas in that first corner incident as well during the Hungarian Grand Prix, whilst Max Verstappen had that little mentioned tangle with Lewis Hamilton at the British Grand Prix. Red Bull boss Christian Horner has said that the incident suffered by both of his drivers in recent races is brutal in a cost cap environment, especially when the drivers were not responsible for the crashes themselves. Ferrari boss Mattia Binotto has also said that he believes the drivers that were guilty for the crashes should be responsible for paying for the damage caused.